I think it's important in today's environment of building that you really pay attention to what you're using. So to work with a brand like Owens Corning that's really pushing the innovation, to me, is just a no-brainer.
So we really got to a point where we felt it was the right time for Owens Corning to get into spray foam. And we were able to have PJ come in today and really see how things are done right.
So when we first talked to Owens Corning, they had a job out here in Central Mass where they were going to be spray foaming an old barn. Today we're going to be spraying a section of the back that we're going to be making more structurally sound, as well as making it weather tight for future use.
Hey PJ.
What's up, man?
Hey, good to see you again.
You brought me to Central Mass.
Hey, we got Seth here.
Seth, how are you? Nice
Great.
to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you, PJ.
I heard there's some congratulations in order for you.
Absolutely. We've been busy since we last saw you. We bought Natural Polymers spray foam.
Unbelievable. So, I mean, you guys invented fiberglass in 1938.
We did.
And I know the product well because I remember many a nights being itchy after insulating Garrison Colonials with my dad.
Long ago.
Long ago. But then you reinvented the wheel a couple of years ago with your next gen.
Yes, we did.
Super soft, not itchy anymore, which is
Right.
great.
Yeah.
But now you continue to reinvent yourself. And you buy a spray foam company?
It was time, and you know, we'd watched the spray foam industry for a long time, and it finally got to a point where it was high quality enough that it met Owens Corning standards, and we decided to jump in. And Natural Polymers was the perfect target. They lead with innovation, they lead with quality, and they lead with low VOC spray foam.
So while we're here in this barn, I heard that we were going to be spraying, and because I like to try things, I requested that I put a suit on and I actually spray.
We've got Seth here, our technical support sales leader, and we've got Evan, who is our contractor support lead. And they are going to set you up with the proper PPE and give you instructions so you're safe and the job's done properly.
I love it. So let's go back and learn how to spray.
Awesome.
Let's do it.
Safely.
Let's do it.
That's it.
Safely.
Let's do it. What's going on, my man?
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Great.
Hey, Evan.
How are you doing,
Good, man. Good to see you.
Going, Seth?
So, Evan,
Yeah.
tell me who Evan is.
Evan's the man. Evan, we brought Evan on as our contractor support rep because we knew outreach and support to our contractors and installers was a top priority. So PJ, you are in good hands here. I'm gonna get out of here because I'm just a marketing guy.
I love it.
All right.
I love it. And
Have-
now I'm actually going to spray
have fun.
this stuff.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. We're going to go outside, we're going to get suited up, and then we're going to come in and I'm going to let it rip.
Yes, we are.
Let's do it. I don't think I can do it every day. I have a lot of respect for you with this.
Yep.
I mean, it's amazing. Like, that's the thing with what I do with these videos now, right? It's like you discover what their passion is and everything they do, right? And you're learning like what actually makes our job sites tick,
Yeah.
right? And like what people don't realize goes on in the background to actually make that happen.
Yeah.
Everybody thinks, oh, they just come in and spray it.
Yeah.
No big deal. It takes a couple days, they're done.
Yeah.
But it's a lot of work.
Yeah.
And it's hot, like
Yep.
really hot. Thanks, man.
Thank you.
That was sick.
It was a pleasure.
So much fun.